And the second type of t-shirt design is event-based t-shirt designs. I quickly mentioned that this is an event-based design on Christmas. This type of t-shirts only going to sell around Christmas month. You are not going to sell this type of Christmas-based t-shirt in February or in April. It is just not going to happen because it is too focused on Christmas. It is only going to sell around Christmas time. Now let's see another example of event-based t-shirt design. This time we searched for solar ellipse t-shirt and we found these t-shirts in search result. And in this t-shirt here you see this t-shirt got 175 reviews. If I open this up, in title here you see Total Solar Escape Summer August 21, 2017 t-shirt. It has a specific date on it because it is specific to the solar ellipse itself. So this type of t-shirts probably is never going to sell again. I would be surprised if this sold anymore. This is a very specific event-based t-shirt design example. This happens once every so many years. And therefore there was a lot of opportunity to make a lot of money that you will not believe the amount of money that some people made from this ellipse through March by Amazon. And we have all sorts of different events and dates. For example, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, etc. I talk about these two designs type just to let you know that we do categorize these designs in two categories. One is evergreen, which is going to sell over and over again all year long. And on the other hand, event-based t-shirts are sell really well in the month of that specific event. Other than they are not sell too much at all.